So if we start at the top left hand side with the company name, this shows at what level in the hierarchy we are viewing. This could be your company, also known as the dealer, or the end user customer. Clicking on the network symbol to the right will expand the hierarchy to view all data for all users underneath the dealer's umbrella of customers. User accounts work on a hierarchy system, so you can view individual accounts or your entire hierarchy to bring you metadata on your entire customer base fleet compositions. The device management tool sits as a light service on each workstation and is very simple to deploy and control. The intuitive dashboard displays this metadata into graphical displays, bringing the analysis of printer data to you in an easy-to-use format. As you can see, the individual data windows can be dragged and dropped for a customizable view. Device status summary shows the number of devices with critical and non-critical alerts, supply alerts, those that are OK and those that are not reporting, probably turned off. Others show breakdowns of device by manufacturer, model number, networked versus local, mono versus colour, managed versus non-managed, etc. etc. You could categorise a managed printer as one you wish to monitor, supply consumables for, and service. As we are exploring the device management functionality, here it would make sense to move onto the device's main menu. There are standard templates and My Templates, which are customisable for the dealer or end user. So selecting Demo Supplies, this shows a useful graphical display. Again, if we click on the network symbol at the top left hand side, the devices within the hierarchy as shown by account name are revealed. Just the devices at our own local network or in your hierarchy. The most beneficial data in this view shows supply details with consumables levels percentages, actual page coverage which will enable dealers to accurately report on cost per copy contracts, instead of relying on inaccurate industry standard 5% yields, toner part numbers, page yield based on 5% page coverage, and an estimated date the cartridge will be empty. Over here you can see meter counts for total pages mono, and total pages colour. The view can further enhance within My Templates to show 2 colour and duplex total counts scans by copy, fax and email, and many more. With 41 reports available on demand or via an automated date schedule, you can pull the information you want whenever you need it to maximise savings and control over your print environment. Reports such as over and underutilisation of devices, device age allows you to rationalise the fleet and redeploy devices to a more suitable role. Meter readings can be collected without the need to contact the customer to streamline a copy count invoicing process. Supply levels report can be scheduled, for example, every Monday morning so that the dealer procurement can be organised to purchase consumables in a timely manner. This is where the activity of the users can be reported on, providing data on user usage, user times of printing, which could alert management to a situation where printing is taking place after hours or at weekends. Application type reports highlighting expensive user printing from the internet in colour or printing unnecessary emails. There are 39 customisable user-specific reports to analyse your users and their print habits in as much or as little detail as you need. User reports can be generated on an ad hoc basis or scheduled and emailed to particular users or managers. Within the admin menu is where permission levels are set for administrators for a variety of features relevant to the hierarchy such as reports view, dashboard view, alerts, etc. In order to set up alerts for toner levels, this function enables triggers to be set for differing consumable types. This can be on a percentage level remaining or period of time remaining to empty by days or weeks. The software uses data experience and algorithms to calculate this accurately. Now to the unique features of this fully integrated software and a welcome asset to any IT or procurement manager. Here is where printers and any associated alerts relating to those printers are mapped on a floor plan, and this is showing devices on the first floor. Then we're going to click Change to show devices and users on the floor view, and by hovering over one of the devices, the data of that particular printer is shown in the top right-hand corner. And then clicking on the printer icon gives us the average monthly volumes for colour and mono, the total cost of ownership split by mono and colour, and then by changing to consumable details, the supply level percentages are shown and the pages remaining to empty. Then by changing from consumable to user details and clicking back onto the printer icon, all usage data by user and applications is shown on the right hand side, with the map of users highlighted in the green, showing which users are set up for that device. This functionality can also be accessed via the list of devices. The icons to the left of the printer show details on device status, managed or non-managed, and the eye symbol takes us to the printer-specific data, including an image of the printer. The Meters sub-menu shows current and historical meter readings. Service menu shows service data for that printer. The same floor plan view is shown as before, but centered on the chosen printer device. The User Data tab shows users' activity across a host of jobs, users by application and applications by user relating to this printer. So that was a brief overview of the software showing the interconnectivity of management control data for device and user, and is unique within the industry. Thank you for your time.